Hello, I am going to introduce you the Optimus solutions for onboard trains. Okay, first item I will explain is the drivers units for the cabin in the trains. Okay, this is one of the solutions that we have for drivers unit, that is a intercom and public address system that includes a handset microphone, and it allows the drivers to talk to the passenger as well as receive intercom calls from the passengers. It also gives us the solution for a cabin-to-cabin intercom as well as cabin to the control center, always using the most robust handsets or gooseneck microphones and using SIP protocols. Next product we are going to introduce is the passenger emergency and intercom unit. This is equipment that is installed in the different wagons of the train and allows the passengers to have emergency intercom with the driver of the train or to the control center. Okay, it is equipped with active noise cancellation that will allow us to have a clear intelligibility of the conversation between the passenger and the driver. Next product that we want to explain to you is our IP-based power amplifier for trains and metros. Okay, this is a Class D high efficiency amplifier that is equipped with a normal amplifier as well as a backup amplifier. The backup amplifier will automatically switch over and replace the normal amplifier in the unlikely event of the amplifier failure. Okay, this amplifier has a dual Ethernet connection and has a DC power supply. Also, this amplifier allows either the OCC or the train driver to broadcast public address to the passengers. This amplifier will broadcast to the passengers the messages provided either by the driver of the train or from the OCC. This message will be broadcasted at a volume that will depend on the noise of the wagon. Okay, for that we have these noise sensors that will give the amplifier a feedback of the actual noise of the wagon, and the amplifier will increase or decrease the volume in order to achieve a good intelligibility. We have two types of noise sensor. This one is an analog noise sensor that is just giving the amplifier the value of the noise, and then also we have this that is an IP-based noise sensor. This IP-based noise sensor can be also used as a recording system, so we can have a recording of all the messages that has been broadcasted by the PA system in order to have a good quality check of the audio that has been broadcasted to the train. So, also following Optimus' policy of giving the best service to our customers, some of these products can be customized. Okay, in fact, this one has been customized from one of our customers, and this is the standard product. This is a different way that you can see the product. Okay, so the same happens with this product. We have different solutions, mechanical solutions for this product. Some of them with a gooseneck microphone, wider displays or more buttons. All this is always following Optimus paramount, that is the satisfaction of our customer.